Where's my damn work card? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. In 2023, the time of shooting this video, processing times for employment authorization documents continue to be way behind where they are supposed to be. While some people are getting their work cards relatively quickly, the vast majority of immigrants who are going through the green card process are waiting months and months for their work card. And people keep asking me, Jim, what can I do? Can I make a service request? Can I make an expedite request? Can I call my senator? You can do all those things. You can call the 1-800 number. You can reach out to the USCIS ombudsman. You can call a member of Congress and see if they will intervene. And I know that many people who are waiting on their work cards are in some pretty dire, serious financial situations, and USCIS says that they take those things into consideration when people make a request to have their work cards expedited. Now, here's the thing. If everybody's work card is delayed, then they're not going to spend much time or energy working on speeding up one particular case. If everybody has the measles, then they're not going to make one person better when everyone else will still be suffering. So it just doesn't happen. Now listen, as you know, we have filed lawsuits against USCIS hundreds and hundreds of times. And we've done that for green cards, for citizenship, for overseas visas, for asylum delays, all kinds of lawsuits. It was very late in the game that we started filing lawsuits on employment authorization documents. And the reason for that is it's expensive to file a lawsuit. Right now, the current fee with the filing fees is just a little bit over $5,000. So when you file a lawsuit like that, it's expensive. And I wasn't sure that people really needed it or wanted it. But you know what? Here's the thing that we found out. It's really one of the few things that works. And I don't say that in a way of trying to convince you to file a lawsuit. But if you are frustrated, if you have been banging your head against the wall, and if you really need your employment authorization document, the lawsuits work. So far, USCIS has not fought us on any of our employment authorization document requests. They know they are behind. They know that their processing is indefensible. They know that they are failing to do their job. So the last thing they want to do is defend themselves in federal court. And when it comes to a work card, that's a pretty low burden as to whether or not you're entitled to it. So they usually don't mess around. And our lawsuits for employment authorization documents, the I-765, with the processing times being so slow, those lawsuits are working. So I wouldn't say that everybody needs to file a lawsuit for a backlogged employment authorization document, but if you have been waiting for your work card, and if you really need your work card, then I'm pretty confident that if you file a lawsuit against USCIS in federal court where you live, and you say, Judge, we just need our work card, these people are jerking us around. It's been a year. It's been 9 months. This is supposed to take a month. It's basically fingerprints, background check, work card. That's what's supposed to happen. These clowns still can't do it. So if you are stuck and if you can't get any other form of relief, if you've tried all those other things that I mentioned, calling the 1-800 number, calling the USCIS ombudsman, trying to get a member of Congress involved, if you've tried all those things, made countless service requests, and you're not getting anywhere, the lawsuit may be your solution. And again, like I said, it's not for everybody, but if you really need it, I'm pretty sure it's going to work. So if you need help with filing a lawsuit, a writ of mandamus against the federal government, against USCIS and the service centers and the people that produce the employment authorization documents, we'd be happy to represent you. Please feel free to give us a call, 314-961-8200, or you can email us at info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. If you're just looking for some free advice or to build some community, we have all that for you. We have our Immigrant Home Facebook group where you can talk to other immigrants going through the immigration process. You can talk about processing times on your work card, all those kinds of things. That's the Immigrant Home Facebook group. Just do a little search and we'll let you in. And then, of course, we have our YouTube channel where we post videos just like this one, and which you'll be able to subscribe to the channel. And whenever I go live, which I do 3 or 4 times a week with our Immigration Answers live show, you can come on and ask me a question. You can talk about your delayed work card if you want. You can talk about any immigration type thing that you want. So we'd love to see you there. Love to connect. Thanks so much and have a great day.